did Mama get you on camera? Are you dancing? I don't want to shake the camera, but I'm laughing. It's so cute. Hey, look, you're so stinking cute, honey. Oh, it's totally moving. It's totally dancing. Sometimes she pulls herself up and dances at the radio. Oh, Ayla. You're so stinking cute. Go. Ayla is officially dancing. She's been dancing for a while. She started dancing like 3 months ago in her high chair with her musical tree we have that attaches onto it.